Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody just posted on Facebook when they want to have a customer that wants script instead of typing it all out, and they wanted to make a new list of the scripts. And if I understand right, you could type in a bunch of different scripts, okay? And bear with me here. Go to edit, find and replace, find text. There's objects, replace objects, and find text, and hit replace, and just ask it to, so you could save this file and then put the customer's name or their saying, like I just put in Corel Tips and Tricks, and replace all. And in that short a time, you can see what their wordage looks like in those scripts. I truly hope that's what they were asking. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.